Out here doing a little video update. Hurricane Irma. As you can see, the winds are picking up quite a bit. I guess they call them things squalls. We got about a couple of squalls coming through. I say it's about 30 mile per hour or 40 mile per hour wind gusts. I don't know. I'm just guessing. But it feels pretty good out here in the wind. We got ourselves one of them curfews. It starts about 7 p.m. Woo! That wind is picking up. It is getting windy out here. Alright, I'm signing out for right now. I'll catch y'all later on this hurricane update.